welcome back to my channel, and welcome to the 4th installment, I believe, of my lipstick monthly series, where I am trying to use every single lipstick I have in my collection over the next lots of months. This past month in January, I decided to use all lip crayons, be they matte, glossy, cream, whatever. Most of them are cream that I have here. And this month we're getting into liquefied lipsticks, and that is not matte liquefied lipsticks, just straight up liquefied melted lipsticks. That was a mouthful. All right, without further ado, let's get into the review of the crayons I used in January. All right, so first up, I have the Sun & Park lip crayon, and this one is in the color, I don't know, 17, is in the color 17. It was a beautiful pinky color. As you can see, I did make some progress on it. It's a twist up pencil, so I didn't make a lot of progress there. It doesn't go on as dark as this. It goes on quite a bit pinker, but it's a cool tone pink, which is perfect for winter. I do like these Sun & Park lip crayons because of the sheerness of them. If you're looking just for a light wash of color that fades gently and you can really layer on lip gloss over it, or you can reapply it without any problems, these are great. Next up, I have the Bite Beauty lip crayon? Matte Creme Lip Crayon in Fraise. And I did make quite a bit of progress on this as well. I really like their lip crayons. They sit really nicely on my lips. They spread and go on super duper creamy. They're not a true matte, that they're not drying on your lips, but they look matte. But they don't have the staying power of a matte, like liquid lipstick. I found I had to put lip gloss on after my coffee in the morning, which is kind of inconvenient, but I expected to have to. But it's one of my favorite formulas. And I also have the Etude House Balm and Color tint in the color 3. And this is like a dual-sided lip crayon. It's got like that pinky on one side and like a clear gloss on the other. This is the wrong season for this. I tried putting it on and it's a super duper bright summery pink, so I only really used it once, and it didn't look right with any winter wear or in the winter weather, so this is not something that I was able to thoroughly test out this month. I also have the Marc Jacobs Lamarque Liquid Lip Crayon in 310 Night Mauves. This is not a matte lip crayon whatsoever. This is very metallic. I did use it a few times because it is a very nice neutral color, but it does give a metallic finish. So if you're not into that, don't purchase this one specifically. I don't know if his other ones are the same like type of metallic finish to them, but this is not something I would recommend if you're looking for something that is just creamy, because it's very metallic. The next one I have is also from Bite, and this is their High Pigment Lip Pencil in the shade Madeira. I used this one a lot this month too, just because it was a great nude for winter. I loved using it. It applied really easily. It faded really gracefully, which I loved because it wasn't a bright color. I could easily layer lip gloss on top of it, and it didn't last all day, but you could reapply it so easily it didn't really matter. And the last lip crayon for this month is from NARS, and this one is in Cruella. This is one of their Velvet Matte Lip Pencils in this deeper like berry tone red, or wine tone red. Sorry, not berry tone, it's wine, more of a wine red. This one I really liked. I thought, because it's a sample size, I was like, that's a lot of a pencil left over because it doesn't twist up. But then I looked on Reddit and I Googled, and apparently you can sharpen these. So I'm going to attempt that because I really do enjoy this lip pencil, and I would definitely use it again in the future. And if you want to see swatches of all those lip crayons, be sure to check out the playlist down below, which has last month's Lipstick Monthly in it. Oh my goodness, you guys, I was missing an earring probably that whole time for the last like 2 videos. I think I've been missing an earring, so forgive that. Supposed to have 2 earrings. I now have 2 earrings. All right, moving into my February Lipstick Monthly, it's all about a liquefied lipstick. So I do have one K-Beauty brand, one drugstore brand, and the rest is high-end. and I'm going to swatch them on my hand for you this month, and then we're gonna go move on with the whole month of these lip products. The first one I have is actually what I'm wearing on my lips right now, so I'm not gonna swatch it on my hand. This is from Etude House. This is their Colorful Drawing Dear Darling tint in the color PK007. This one, as you can see, is very much like a red pink. It's this beautiful, beautiful, unique red toned pink, but it's not pink, but it's not fully red. Like, it's a really interesting color combination. It looks beautiful on. It doesn't dry down completely, but it still stains your lips like a matte, so it'll fade gracefully. So I'm really excited to use that one. I have a Bite Beauty liquefied lipstick in the color Arrowroot, and it's this beautiful like pumpkin burnt orange type of lipstick. Again, these do not dry down completely matte. I wore this yesterday and it was beautiful, and it lasted through coffee. I went out for coffee with Nicole Chantel, and it lasted through coffee with her and did not look like it was coming off, even though when I got home it was pretty much gone on the inside here. But when I did this with my lips, it actually redistributed over my lips. It smells beautiful, and I'm really excited to use it this month. The next one I have is from Too Faced. This is the Melted Latex Liquefied High Shine Lipstick. This one is a very, 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 very nudie pink. I wore this on Friday for February 1st, and it's almost concealer lips on me, but not quite, because it's got that little tiny bit of pink tinge to it. Again, it's a high shine liquefied lipstick. It's not matte, so don't expect it to be. The next lipstick I'm going to be using this month is also from Too Faced. This is one of their just melted liquefied longwear lipsticks in the color Melted Berry. It's a sample size, so I'm hoping to be able to use it all maybe this month. That would be nice. But it's this deep, deep pinky berry color. It looks beautiful on the lips, and it's really, really nice and doesn't dry out my lips at all. It fills in all the lines without being too overwhelming. The next one I have is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is their Butterscotch Lip Gloss. I know this is a lip gloss, but the reason I chose it is because it's almost the same as that Melted Latex from Too Faced. It is the most pigmented lip gloss I have ever used in my entire life, and it is much more of a nudie peachy pink. This one sits like concealer lips on me, so this one, it would be perfect for any kind of more dramatic eye looks or any day when I'm just trying to do something that makes my lips look like they disappeared, apparently. But it's a beautiful, beautiful formula, super soft. It's not super sticky, which makes me happy. And yeah. So the next one I have is the Drugstore, and it's from Rimmel London. This is their Stay Satin Liquid Lip Color. They also have a line of Stay Matte, so this one is not matte. It doesn't dry down completely, and it is more of a mauve. Oh, it smells like chocolate and drugstore. Chocolate and drugstore, the best combination. It is this beautiful mauve pink down at the bottom there. So that is all the lip products I'm planning to use for the month of February, the month of love, the month of my birthday. I'm very excited about it. I'm really excited to use them and kind of gauge how much I like them. Although it seems now that I'm getting into it, everything I've used I pretty much really liked, because I'm using all my favorite ones first. So I'm going to use those 6 lip colors for the entire month of February, and at the end of the month or beginning of March, then I will come back with March's plan. So if you want to follow along with my no-buy journey for the year of 2019, don't forget to hit the little red subscribe button, and if you want to be notified when I post new content, don't forget to hit the little bell next to it. And if you like these videos, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. All right, we'll see you next time. Bye.